Python. What is Python exactly and Python used for? Python is a prominent general-purpose shows language that can be made use of for a wide variety of applications. It includes high-level information structures, dynamic keying, dynamic binding, and also a lot more attributes that make it as valuable for intricate application development as it is for scripting or adhesive code that attaches elements together. It can also be reached make system phones call to mostly all operating systems and to run code written in C or C++. The Python language is among the most easily accessible shows languages readily available because it has streamlined syntax and also not made complex, which gives even more focus on natural language. Because of its ease of discovering and also use, Python codes can be easily composed and also performed much faster than various other programs languages. Python is often made use of as an assistance language for software developers, for build control and management, screening, and also in lots of other methods. About Python certifications. Python certification course teaches high-level programming language. The Python platform handle multiple programming paradigms including object-oriented, numeric data types, string operations, control flow, and syntax, for loop, sys, math, time modules, regular expression, etc. Python is scripting such as language Ruby, PHP and this programming language are using for business analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning and much more. Best Python tutorial guide to learning Python, start to creating, website development, mobile app development, ERP system development, desktop application building. Significance of Python certifications in 2020. Python is just one of the most widely utilized programs languages in the world. Not only is it a preferred, generalist, language, but it has sneaked continuously right into highly specialized sectors. For instance, it's overtaken R as the data science language of choice for numerous firms. The most significant advantage of trying to acquire this certification is that this programming language is exceptionally very easy to discover and you can utilize it as a tipping stone right into a broad series of other programming languages and structures. An additional significant benefit of trying to get a Python qualification over various other shows languages is the existence of a large neighborhood. You're probably knowledgeable about the fact that a robust community is very helpful when you're discovering a programming language or creating a job using it. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for a Python certification course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Python exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Zabeel's career-specific courses are imparted through interactive teaching techniques, state-of-the-art technology, and experienced and highly qualified faculty. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/